Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So today I'm going to show you how to grab Lysol wipes for just 74 cents each, which is an amazing deal. I'm also going to show you a freebie and tons of clearance. So let's get going.
Welcome to Stop and Shana.
So this week at Meijer, you're going to grab these Lysol wipes for only 74 cents each. Now what you want to do is grab 4 of these Lysol wipes. Now they're regularly priced $3.49. They are actually on sale for $2.99 each. But when you buy 4, you're going to get $4 off instantly. It's on Lysol, Finish, cleaning items. So we're going to grab 4 of them. We're going to use 2 of the $1 off 2 coupons from Smart Source 710. Out of pocket, pay $5.96, and then Rebate has a rebate for 75 cents back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times, so your final cost is going to be $2.96 total, or just 74 cents each. This is absolutely an amazing deal, and it's a great stock-up price. So I'm doing a little clearance shopping too. As you can see, we've got some cat toys here for 49 cents, the Bumpkin toys, as well as 99 cents on the Meijer pizza cat toy. We also have these particular toys for $1.49, but it's a little bit more than I want to spend. But I grabbed all of the pizza ones, and then there's only a couple of the Bumpkin ones for 49 cents. They look like this, but maybe you'll be lucky and you'll have them in your store for clearance. We're doing some clearance shopping. We're going to get these for Santa shop. Excited to get something for kitty cats. There are quite a few dog toys that are on clearance. Like this one's not too bad. It's $2.99. Unfortunately, all of the $1.99 ones are gone. These Pip Sock dog toys that says Sloth and Steg and Donut, which I would have grabbed the $1.99 ones. I think I'm going to pass on the $2.99. Our top, see the unicorn here, our top price is $3, so we really need to come under that. So $2.99 is a little too high. More really super cute clearance here for some kitty cats. You've got the like fish at the pole, a snake. Yeah, some really good deals. I could grab the ones that are under $3, but it's still a little too expensive for our Santa shop. I'd like to go under $2 if I'm going to grab this stuff, but still, it's worth keeping an eye on. Maybe it'll go down again. Does your Meijer have a baby section clearance? Mine sure does, and it usually has some pretty awesome deals on it. They kind of like hide this, it seems like. So $4.89 for those. But we've got like underwear, you know, just obviously this is a little too high. We're trying to get under $3 for Santa shop, but if you need this stuff, like look at this, puffs for 50 cents. What a great deal on that. Serenity Kids. So it might be worth checking your store. See if you've got a specific location for your clearance for baby. This is always sitting here. I used to check it out a whole lot more when I had a little one, but now I don't really need it as badly. Nothing here I'm going to grab today for Santa shop, but lots of great deals if you've got a little one. How stinking cute are these? Look, $3.99. Of course, they're on clearance. They were regularly priced $4.99, so not a huge savings there, but little cute things. And of course you've got the little tiny trash can. These are great for like the car, I think. Anyway, super cute. Now in my Meijer this week, red sticker only clearance is an additional 30% off, and I think the orange sticker is 50% off. Well, I don't know what was here, but 29 cents for these pocket note pack would have been really awesome for Santa shop, but completely gone. What a bummer. Okay, so I did know we had dad clearance up here in it says grandpa and grandma clearance books here. $2.39 for those. I am going to grab this. I thought there were a whole bunch of them up here the other day, and I didn't grab them. It looks like we have coupons for dad. Now this is from Father's Day, but it would make still good gifts for our Santa shop. Now, I did know about this. I actually grabbed some the other day. This is really hidden in our store, so unless you're actually looking for it, it's kind of hard to find. But we've got all these Mother Day ones, as well as we've got some teacher ones that were from May. And so these are $1.79 on clearance, but they actually were ringing up like 45 cents even cheaper than that. I'm going to go ahead and grab all of these for the Santa shop. But yeah, I was hoping to have the dad ones. That's what we really need, are dad ones, but that's okay. I'm going to grab these. My store currently has a huge clearance section, so all of these aisles have tons of clearance going on. Lots of games, some towels here. Now this is not always full. In fact, it usually is quite bare, but right now it seems like we've got a lot of things on clearance. Let me see if I can find anything cool. Lots of thermoses and things like that, some tumbler type things for different prices. We also have a lot of games on clearance here. So as you can see, there's some here. $13.49, $18.74. That is Pick Your Poison. The Worst Nightmare is this one. Let's see, All Things Equal, Worst Case Scenario. That's that one right there for $14.99. Some other ones, lots and lots and lots of games that are on clearance. Definitely check your store and see if you have these. I would definitely check the game aisle if you don't have a clearance section. Summer stacking plates are $1.74. There's 4 plates here, little sections. This would be really good for some kids. I'm considering grabbing them. We'll see. Some really cute baskets for $5.59. It was $7.99, so not a huge savings. Might want to wait a little longer. Clearance on some footballs here for $13.50, 50% off. Also have, looks like some $74.99, 25% off right now for a catching mat. Even more games here, lots to choose from. Pictionary game looks pretty cool for just $14.99. This one looks funny. Flush and Frenzy says it's going to be $14.99. Some other games. I think this is hilarious. $14.99. Let's see, Code Names. I know I've played that before at a friend's house. $14.99 for that. So about $5 savings. I think it's like 25% off is what they're all going for right now. Obviously they could drop. Oh look, Office Space, Blockbuster, Puzzle. Fun. Okay, so lots of really cool games to check out for sure. Also, check out your seasonal summer items. We're showing clearance going on in a lot of those sections as well. I don't know any specific prices on this, but it is showing that it is clearancing out. So obviously check that seasonal aisle and see what is going on there for you. You may have to take it to a scanner. Like this one here is showing that it's $29.59, was $36.99. So, you know, definitely be looking. We have the Avengers assembly gear for $15.74, was $20.99. So yeah, so toys in here too. Looks like we've got some Melissa and Doug puzzles here, 50% off, $11.50 now. All of this is sitting in clearance, so I'm not sure. Some of it's tagged, some is not. Whatever that is $11.99. We've got these fresh dolls here for $9.74. They had some over on clearance, but I didn't have prices on them. So these are priced. There's also outfits. I wonder what they're priced. I'll have to go check that out. You know, Frozen Little People, that might be a really good deal. I wish it was priced. I wonder what it is. We'll have to check that out too. Now, a year ago, I'd be freaking out because these Legos are on clearance, but my son is no longer into Legos. These were $100, $99.99, now $84.99. Not sure about the Minecraft, but it's probably similar. Also have whatever this is, looks kind of cool for $20.24. It was $26.99. Again, we're looking at about 25% off for most of these items here. We've got some pools for $23.99, was $29.99, and then these were $19.99, and now $15.99. So yeah, there's so much here. Definitely go check out your Meijer and see what they have. All right, we're gonna check out this Frozen item here. So it is showing $15.39, regular price $21.99. So that is the clearance there. So some of the Sharpies look like they're on clearance for 74 cents. Of course, my store is all out, but you can see this like Sharpie bin, the singles there. You might worth checking out if you're needing some for school supplies. Expo Dry Erase 2-in-1 Dual Chisel Tip, $3.89, normally priced $7.79 on clearance. Again, my store is out, but again, worth checking. It also looks like the whiteboard cleaner is $1.74. So yeah, definitely check your clearance out in the sections. You never know what you're gonna find. There's another Expo Dry Erase Ultra Fine for $1.24. More seasonal items for clearance. So you've got chairs there, and you've got like $134 on this chair. There's some other summer stuff there on clearance. All right, I'm not sure what the price is, but if this is a decent price, these would be so cool to have at Santa's shop. They're little flying discs, like little frisbees, but I'm not sure how much they are. They are in the clearance section. There's also this doll outfit I'm going to check out and see how much it is, but I can't wait to check these out. They look really cool. I'm also considering checking out what these water Paw Patrol toys are going to be. And then what is this 9-inch flyer? I think that's actually $3.19 there. I see that price. All right, we're going to start out with the Paw Patrol little water thing, see how much that is. $3 each, so it was $4.29. Okay, I'm probably not going to grab that. That's a little too expensive. Next is this doll outfit. It is showing $4.49, was $5.99. Again, a little too expensive. This is the one I really would like to get, so hopefully it's a decent price. $7.99 was $9.99. Nope, no good. So I'm walking around the makeup aisle, just walking by, and there was a clearance thing showing that there's clearance in the aisle. $4.19, it looks about 50% off from $8.39. So some clearance deals in the makeup aisle. Check those out this week. Also showing some pretty decent deals on some OPI nail polish. Was $10.50, now $5.25. There's lots of different colors. So if you like this nail polish, might be time to grab some. So if you have any Rimmel coupons, it might be a great time to stop by. It looks like we've got some lip gloss here for $2.09, was $4.19, $2.89 for some of that. We also have some lipstick here for $3.74, was $7.49. What a great price on that. $2.59 was $5.19. So lots of good choices here. Some of the Rimmel Finish liner, $2.59 was $5.19. Some of our brushes here, Studio M, are on clearance, 50% off, $2.24, $2.69, $2.24 for some of these. So not a bad price. Also showing some makeup bags, basic purse kit, $3.49, $5.49 for those. So quite a few different things you could grab here if you're looking for some sort of new makeup bag. More clearance makeup with Almay, $7.49, so 50% off on some of these. What a great price. We have more here. $4.49 was $8.99. You've got some more Almay down here for half off. Like all of the Almay is on clearance this week. NYX has a ton of things on clearance here. You can see here, $8 normally, $4 now, so 50% off there. You've got some lipsticks and things like that. I mean, there's just tons of things to look at. So I would say if you are needing some makeup and you have your coupons, I would definitely bring some coupons up with you. See if you could do some matchups, get some really good deals, maybe even some freebies with some of this stuff. But there's so many things on clearance right now in the makeup aisle. Well, this is always a disappointing sight. It's all gone. But this would be in the hair care. It looks like it's some sort of headbands, scrunchies, those types of things. So possibly your store still has them. While I'm over here, I just wanted to show you this deal. I actually did it the other day, but the Pond's travel size, it looks like this. There's also a blue one. I actually grabbed the blue one. It's regularly priced $2, but it's in the travel sections, travel size. There's a 3-off-1 digital that's applying, or an in-perk. It'll reduce down to $2, but it'll be completely free, and I grabbed a blue one. but they are all attaching. And like I said, it's in the travel section, and I think the coupon expires on Saturday, so you might as well go grab it while you're heading out to check out all of this crazy clearance. Okay, I wanted to share one last thing. So I did upload my receipt to Ibotta and got my 75 cents back each, so $3 total, making these 74 cents. But one thing I noticed when I was scanning these products is that it was a box top item. So you can scan your receipt to the box top app. Go and do that, and because it's 4 items, it's 40 cents that's going towards your school, which is an awesome deal. If you do not have the box top app, use my link in the description box below. The reason why I say that is because what will happen is the first time you upload a receipt, you're going to get an extra $2 go towards your school, or 20 box tops. And then I will also get 20 box tops to go towards my school of my choice. Not me personally. I'm not going to benefit from this personally, but we're going to help out each other's school. If you just sign up, neither one of us get the $2, and so that's $4 that goes to waste. So you want to make sure that you sign up using my link. But really, really exciting to give an extra 40 cents to the school of my choice. And yeah, so awesome deal here. And of course, I am going to do this again as soon as my Ibotta rebate reloads. Hopefully it reloads by tomorrow, and I can do this deal again and again and again and again. I actually got coupons from the doctor's office, and that's why I have so many extra coupons for the Lysol. It's a great deal.